Hi there, it's Andy from Brown Dog Gadgets. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at our day 4 of week 2 circuit. That's our first photoresistor circuit, and in order to correctly complete it we're going to need to gather the following parts: a battery holder, a battery, our female header, a photoresistor, and an LED. As with all of our circuits, we're first going to need to create some pathways out of conductive maker tape laid atop our green Lego board. The pathways for this particular circuit should look like this. With the pathways correctly completed, the parts that we had assembled before should fit nicely within the gaps created in the pathway system. Some important things to note about the arrangement of parts within this circuit are, of course, that our pathway leading from the white corner of the battery holder should first connect to the white striped side of our LED chip. Our photoresistor has 2 wires. One of them should be inserted into the center hole of the female header, and the remaining one out to the hole nearest the LED. With the circuit in operation, what you should see is an LED that's lit. However, if I block some of our studio light from the photoresistor with this pen cap, you should notice a change in the LED brightness. Take it away, and the light becomes bright again. That's it for this circuit. For a more detailed look at our curriculum, visit browndoggadgets.com.